this Lok Sabha elections, abusive languages, casteist slurs, religious propagation has been used by different political leaders. And these all actions and gestures raises a crucial question on Election Commission of India, that what Election Commission of India is doing in this regard. Hello and welcome to the in-news series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about what Supreme Court had said regarding the BJP ad towards TMC, and this session is important for your GS2 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss proceedings in Calcutta High Court, that what Calcutta High Court has said regarding this matter. Then we are going to discuss what Model Code of Conduct says regarding any advertisement, and also we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving to the news part. So what had happened that recently Bharatiya Janata Party, who is the current ruling political party, has issued an advertisement which is derogatory in nature against Trinamool Congress of Bengal. And these all matters reached to the Calcutta High Court. The TMC had said that the advertisement issued against the party is derogatory in nature, while BJP has said that they were just criticizing a different political party. So this was the case, and this matter has been reached to the High Court. When High Court has not entertained the BJP argument, then the BJP reached to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court had also declined these kind of things, and it said that the Supreme Court will not entertain such kind of things, and if you want to refer this matter, you have to refer this to the High Court again. So this is the news we are going to cover up in today's session. Here we who are the stakeholders? So we have the four stakeholders: BJP, TMC, Supreme Court and High Court. So we will discuss around these four stakeholders. Coming to the next one. So next one is about proceedings in Calcutta High Court. So on May 22, a bench of Chief Justice T.S. Sivagaman and Justice Hiranmay Bhattacharya dismissed a petition challenging an order. And why they have been dismissed? Because they said that what a High Court has said is true regarding this matter, and BJP has said that this has been entertained by the single bench of the High Court and they are not satisfied with these things. On this regard, the Supreme Court has said that you cannot ask a question regarding the proceedings of the High Court. That's why we will not refer to this matter and we will not entertain this matter. On the other hand, Calcutta High Court has said that whatever the terms and phrases has been used by the BJP party is derogatory in nature, and Supreme Court has said that if you want to recall these things, if you want to ask a reply from this thing, you have to seek reply from the Calcutta High Court. The Supreme Court will not entertain and interfere into this matter. Supreme Court has said that they have no right to interfere into this regard. So that's why this matter has been absolved now, and we'll look at what other things and what this particular advertisement is about. So there is an advertisement which read that Sanatan Virodhi Trinamool, and this is a violation of Model Code of Conduct. Why it is a violation of Mode of Conduct? Because in MCC it has been written that there should be no any personal interference to each other, and religion, caste, class, gender, any kind of things will not be used for the advertisement, will not be used for any kind of propagation or propaganda. And here religion has been used, so that's why it is violative of the Model Code of Conduct. And Trinamool Congress had also said that this has been also complained to the Election Commission of India. Unfortunately, Election Commission of India has not replied. And Trinamool Congress had also said that the particular advertisement has been published in the silent period, which is the 48 hours. And that's why, because of this thing also, this is illegal in nature. On the other hand, Calcutta High Court had also said that the ECI should become responsive to this matter, because this particular advertisement is derogatory in nature and here there is a use of religion. And the Calcutta High Court has also said that we have seen that at a election time, when ruling political party has a control over many things, so it has been advised to the ruling political party that they should not use media for their personal and unnecessary means. So this is also about the Model Code of Conduct, and it also states that ECI criticism of other political parties when made and shall confine to the policies and programs, past record and work. It means that if you want to criticize any political party, you can criticize regarding their work, regarding their policies, regarding their schemes, but there will be no seat and there will be no space for the personal slandering, and there will be no usage of the religion here. Then what other things it has been said, as I have already told you, that the court had said that mass media should not be misused by current ruling political parties since they are in the power, so it should not be used for their personal means, and there will be no broadcasting of a particular political party. Since BJP is a national party and TMC is not a national party, in this scenario what we have seen that the national parties are given much space, and in this scenario the ruling political party has a much wider scope and much influence on the media and other things also. But in order to conduct free and fair elections, such kind of things should not be entertained, and there will be no special provision for the current ruling political party that okay, this ruling political party is in the election or is in the rule, so they have more authority to perform in this election. So these all warnings has been not given to just BJP and TMC, but to the other political parties who are using media for their personal gain and for their personal means. And the court also said that BJP ads were directly contradictory to the MCC because it has directly hampered the religious aspect, and in such scenario, in such environment, there will be difficulty to conduct free and fair election. And also it has violated the MCC rule, which means that before 48 hours of the polling, you cannot issue any kind of advertisement, you cannot campaign in any other form, whether it's in electronic form or in any other form. So these all violation, because of this thing, the High Court of Calcutta has dismissed this thing, and Supreme Court had also said that they will not entertain this matter. If BJP wants reply, or if they are not satisfied with the Calcutta High Court, they can seek for the reply. But this is the current stance of the Supreme Court and the High Court. Coming to the question part, the question is, consider the following statement regarding Model Code of Conduct. And the first one is, it originated assembly election in Kerala in 1960. And the second one is, in 1967 the code was followed in the Lok Sabha and assembly elections. Here they are asking the correct statement, and your options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So you have to answer this in the comment section, and you have to thoroughly read the MCC, because in prelims examination there will be the questions related to the MCC and what Model Code of Conduct says regarding the campaigning, regarding the political leader, regarding the star campaigner. So there is a rule inscribed for everything, so you must know all these rules. So I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.